All right, Chad. We got Mantinka. Where is this?
Hello,
The
this is Nick calling from
police.
the In-N-Out
Yeah, I
Burger
can't even
in
read the
Kissimmee,
title. Y'all see
California,
the title
all
right
right
there,
off
but
of
I can't read it
Kissimmee,
because
I want to
YouTube
say.
gonna flock
We
me.
have a customer
I know
who's
how
being
YouTube
kind
be
of hostile. He's
flocking.
in between both
So
of
it's
our
like
drive-through
flockers.
windows. We had a customer at the drive-through window, and then he was like slamming his car directly behind their car, hitting them in the bumper. But he kept hitting the gas, and he was like very intentional with it.
Okay, so he struck their car with his car?
Yeah, he's in a white van. I'll see if I can get the license plate number for you. I don't see a license plate on the front. Looking in the back, the gentleman's wearing a 49ers jersey.
52805. It's going to be In-N-Out Burger, 14932.
Yo,
So there's two
what?
drive-through windows.
What is he
That's number
doing?
415. There's a subject. So he had a beer in his car?
I just seen a box of beers, but I didn't see if he had any open. Oh, now he's swerving out. He just took our drive-through sign.
Okay. He just took off, and he hit the drive-through sign. He's dragging it.
Bro, just geeking.
And yes, he's leaving with the drive-through sign. Just give a sign in front of your. Okay, perfect. We can let them handle it for now.
Hold
Thank you
on,
very much,
police
sir.
there.
And then we just he's hitting.
Yo!
Police officer. He's
Yo, bro, on some geeking shit. He ain't scared of nothing, chat. He ain't scared of nothing, chat.
he hit his car directly on the phone.
He hit the cop like again. Nah, he got it. This is the ultimate, bro. The ultimate crash out. If you got crash out, you got the ultimate. This is the final boss. I'm trying to tell you. He said, sheesh. Yeah, he has to. He has to. He said, yo, Chad, look at him. He said, I'm done. Look. Sheesh. The cop said, gling, gling, gling. Yo, the cop said, gling, 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 gling. I ain't gonna act like I know how, because YouTube might monetize me for that too, bro. That's crazy. Like, how you gonna demonetize me just for being like a person, bro? Come on, gang. But he threw like 7, bro. Let me hear. And then he was like, I'm good. He said, look. A. I think that was A. They got the canine inside. He said, I'm good. I don't need no more. A is good. I ain't 50 Cent. Sheesh. Oh, I think he's calling him. Yeah. Now is no help. No. Now is no help. Now you sit down and chill. That's what you should have been there. Yeah, I mean, should have done it. Now look, sit down and relax, okay?
I don't want to hurt you.
Come on, bro.
Since you're already
He
playing
gonna
games
die.
anyway,
Hey, hold on.
why
What's
not
up
earn
with
some
the
free
ads? I don't
rewards
know
while
what's up
you're
with
at
the
it?
ads.
All you
But
need to
again,
do
you
is
gotta pull
download
up on
Buff.
him because he might die. Really and truly, I'm not playing.
Cigarette in his left hand.
He still got a gun though?
That's not already. Hey, just shut out. Hey, you and us, brother. So, fortunately, we're not.
Bro,
Charles,
come on, bro.
you can smoke all the cigarettes you want, but out here, man, it's better if we get you out the car.
He's smoking a
Charles, keep your hands
cigarette
up the
while
window,
he's
please.
shot?
Keep your
Nah,
hands
he's
up
the
the window for
GOAT.
us, please.
Let him be,
Okay.
gang.
Well, we can talk
He's
about
the
that after, but
GOAT.
right now, my only job is to
Y'all
keep you
just
out
let
the
him be, bro. He's the GOAT. I'm trying to tell y'all.
car. Charles, are you understanding what my goal is here right now?
Nah, he's the GOAT. He understands
We're gonna
everything, Chad. He understands everything,
So why
sir.
don't you just...
Oh, he didn't get shot. Okay.
Is he reaching for
He
anything?
didn't get shot. Whoa! Sheesh.
Hey, we need to pin the
Chad, this is just crazy. I can't even speed up because something is gonna happen, bro. Crashed out like 4 or 5 different times. Hold on now.
He's mobile. We need to pin him in.
Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna pin him in if he comes. Hold on.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bro, oh my God. They Swiss cheese his whole V. That's crazy. Like, if he's not shot after that, he's the GOAT. I'm sorry, just give him the he's just the GOAT. Look at this. Sheesh. Sheesh. Another angle, okay. Oh, this was the one that was blinking. Hold on now. He's the one that's blinking. Hold on. That's why he got his own angle. Pause. No movie, no, you know what I'm saying? No Diddy, no Philly, no Mickey. Pow, 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 pow. Hey, get the, whoa. He's done, child. Like, just chill.
Hey, get gloves,
Yo,
get Mexico going.
police, like, he's done, bro. How many bullets you need?
Hold on, get that shield, get that shield.
Oh, he's still there? No way, he's still there chilling. He's gone, bro. He gotta be gone, right? He gotta be gone, right, chat? Ain't no way he made it out. Like, let me check the comments, cause ain't no way. Did he? This guy was fully prepared. Yeah. Over a cheeseburger is crazy. Yeah, they should definitely call the caller up there to be the dispatcher, cause bro,